Come to Idoma land in Benue State and marry a very beautiful lady like me. I will feed you very well. Hello, take a look at me. I am beautiful and wonderfully made.
Hello, great minds. So I want to show you how to create AI video with free tools, with free AI tools, and also how to make your picture to talk. So the first one I want to show you is how to make your picture, any picture at all, to talk. So now go to one. There are two ways to do that. Either use the web browser app or use the mobile app. But then I'll be using the mobile app, but I'll also show you how to make use of the web browser app if that is what you want. So if you want to use the web browser app, go to your browser, any of your browser, then click on, let me say I'm using Google Chrome. So go to a site or a website called Croc. Go to Croc AI. Croc AI. So when you go to Croc AI, when you go to Croc AI, so go to Croc AI. So let's wait. So you sign in or sign up. But then, as I told you, I don't want to use the mobile app, the web app of it. I want to use the mobile app. So because I want to use the mobile app, go to Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device you are using. So I'm using Android. I want to go to Play Store and I'll download Croc AI. Croc AI. Croc AI. So I'll install it on my device. So let's give it some time. It will be installed. Within a second, it will be installed. So Croc AI is used for different things. One, to make your picture to talk. So we'll click on Croc AI. Yeah, Croc AI. So remaining small. So let's give it some time. So it has finished downloading. So click open to open it. So click open to open it. Then sign in with any of your this either your email or your X account or with your Google. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So right now I've signed in with my Google account. If you want to enable notification, you can enable. For now, I'll skip it. So now here, please take note of this. Pay attention to what I want to show right now. First of all, go back to this two icon here. Then go down where you are seeing your icon and your name. Click on setting, this setting icon. Click on setting and then okay. So in some cases you will see under here. In some cases you see under here say the automatic video creation. So image creation, but then if you see it in your own, toggle it off. But if you don't see it on your own, so let it be the way it is. But then if you are using a laptop, or then you will see it there, but it's not showing on the mobile. So go to image back, then click on continue. If you want to add, if you want to make use of this image, you can make use of any of them. But if you don't want to make use of any of this image, we don't want to make use of any of this image, so let it be. Then click on continue to select any image from your phone. So click on continue. So you can choose any image from your phone. So you can choose any image from your phone, any image that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this image. Let's say I want to use this image. This image, I want to use it, this particular one. So I'll click on it. So you can see it's uploading. So take note, when it uploads, it will automatically generate video for you, but that's not actually what we want. We want to tell the video what we intend it or want it to do for us. Look at it here. So this is what we do for you, but then you can see it's not saying anything. We want it to say something. So I want to say, hey, can you see me? I'm very beautiful. So you can put dialogue. Please take note. So put dialogue. So if you want her to jump up, you want her to do any other thing, you can do, but I put do dialogue. So you put double quotes, then you put this. I cannot say, hey, hello. Maybe if you want it to wave, hello. Take a look at me. Take a look at me. I am beautiful and wonderfully made. So I'm beautiful and wonderfully made. So this is the dialogue. Dialogue still means what it will say. So press enter. It will regenerate the video for you. So we wait for it until it finish generating.
Hello, take a look at me. I am beautiful and wonderfully made. Hello, take a look at me. I am beautiful and wonderfully made.
So you can see the result. So whatever you want it to do or to say, if you are creating a movie or something, you describe how it should act. If you want her to be frowned, you want her to be happy, whatever it is, you describe it. So this is how you actually turn your image into video, or how to create video with images or any kind of images at all. So you can download it now. So if you click on download, it will start downloading. Okay, so you have seen it. So you have seen everything and we are finished. So please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Thank you.